Hello and welcome to this tutorial video on how to download and print your files. The first page you'll find yourself on is the home page. There's a menu bar with different category options running along the top, and we want downloads over here on the far right. Click on that and that will take you through to the download page. These are digital downloads and they're instant when you buy them. You can see all of the different teddy bear, doll and accessory bits and pieces we do. I'm going to show you how to download this face painting template. It's quick and easy to show you, and it's a free one, so it'll show you without me having to input my card details. Once you go through to the particular product you choose, and this is the same for any product that you choose, you'll come to the particular product's page. On there you can see the title, you'll see the price. On this one it's 0, and you'll see any variations. This is sheet 1. We're going to click on the section here that says Add to Cart. Once you've clicked on that, that will take you through to your cart. When you get through to your cart, on the top right hand corner you'll see a little flag. That's your currency converter. If you click on that, it'll give you different options. On that drop down box you can choose from British pound sterling, US dollars, euros, Australian or Canadian dollars. Here, lower down on your cart page, you can see your product, the unit price, how many items are in your basket, and the total price. On this page, you have the option to remove any items that you've accidentally put in your cart. You can increase the quantity of items by increasing the number in that box. And if you do either of those, remember to update your cart to have an accurate total. You can continue shopping from this page, and that's going to take you to an all product page. You can navigate where you want to go from there. You do have the option to pay by PayPal, but I'm just going to use our own secure server and go to checkout, which is this button here. That's going to take you through to this page. You're going to need to add your customer information, which is your email, so that we can email your download to you instantly. And then it's going to ask you for your billing address, starting off with your name, and your address. If you're happy that all of your details are correct, let's go over to the right hand side of this screen. This shows us what's in our basket. There's a box there where if you have a discount code, you can add the discount code. Now that's very case sensitive, so make sure you insert it exactly as you've been given it. If there's any postage to pay, that's going to show on this page. So whatever currency you've chosen, that will show you the final amount you're going to pay in total. Now we're going to proceed to the button at the bottom which says Continue to Payment Method. When you hit this button, it takes you through to a page where if you're paying for your item, then you insert your card details. My item's free, so there's no payment for me to make at this point. So I can go straight to the Complete Order button, which is this button here. At this point, you're also being sent an email which will have another link to your download. When your next page loads, you're going to get your confirmation page. This is a thank you from us for your order, and this one says that my free ragdoll face painting template sheet 1 is ready for me to download, and I can do that by hitting the Download Now button. If you look at the bottom left hand corner of the screen, you'll see that that file is downloaded now, and if we click on that, we are given the option to open that file. Click on Open and the file will pop straight up. You can print from here, but if you haven't found this or you come back to it later, let me show you where to find it. On the main screen of your computer, and this is going to vary from whichever operating system you're using, you're going to look for File Explorer, and that's this little icon. It looks like a little folder, so look for File Explorer. If you click on that, it's going to open up this window. And what we're looking for is something called downloads. And we can see it in two places on here. It doesn't matter which one you click. Click on the file you want to print, whether it's an image or pattern and instructions, and it will open a window like this. Then you want to look for the icon that looks like a little printer. That's going to open up the printer dialog window, and that looks like this. Printer dialog windows vary, but there are a few things that we can check to make sure our piece prints out correctly. Let's look at how many copies we're printing. We only need one copy here, so that's correct. Have a look at the orientation. This is portrait, that's correct. You'll soon see if that isn't right, it won't look right on the page. These are made for A4, so check that that's set to A4. Check that it's a full page, we don't want half pages or multiples. On mine this says fill page, and that will make the image as big as possible on that page. We don't want that. Last one is borderless printing, that can stay off. Now if you're having a problem with your image printing out at the wrong size, it's going to be coming from this section here. It varies from printer to printer and from software to software, so you might have to play around just a little bit to find out whether yours should be shrink to fit, fit to size, or whatever other option you're being given. When all of that's done, we're ready to print out our piece. I'm printing out onto paper so that I can glue it onto card. I'm just going to hit print. And of course, if you're looking at patterns and instructions, you only actually need to print out the pattern. You can read the instructions from the computer, you'll save some trees and you'll save yourself some money. That concludes our tutorial video. I hope it's been helpful. If it has, please subscribe to the channel, give us some feedback and a like. There are more videos coming soon.